Hey guys, welcome back to Less Expensive Fix. So today's video we have a 2014 Jeep Patriot 2.4 size. So I am in the need of the car. Bank 1 sensor 2 is this one here, guys. Is the one to go to the catalytic. For bank 1 sensor 1 is gonna be on the top one, the one on the top. So this car has two sensors. So this is the location for that one. You gotta be the last one here. So just replace that one. This is for the 4-cylinder. There is no video for, so we're gonna try to replace that. Tools, we're gonna need this one here.
That is for the choice. I just want to bring out cleaner and let them clean. Okay, good. I already have there. Are you up there? Okay. What do you want? I need number 10 available. What I have to do is I do that. You just call you when you're done? Yeah, just call me when you're done.
And this one, I have to unplug it from here. So press it and remove it.
Yeah, that's a great.
There we go. Replace. So now just send the hose. Of course, the part we're gonna use, we are using NGK. The part number 4. This is the part. This is the part for number. NGK. This was required for this car. Here we go. There's the sensor. Let's put a new one now. So guys, this is the sensor. Clean. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put it into place. Get the tools. Put the tools to it. Tighten it good. Make sure it's tightened good, guys. Because if it's not tight good, it can cause the leak. There we go, tight good. Remove the holes and connect the connection. There we go. And we have to go to the top. I have to reset the code. There we go, smash it. There we go, done guys. So sensor is over here for the catalytic, and I have the top one. So now we gotta reset the code. Delete the code. And the code is gonna keep showing up until we start in the car and let the computer learn and see what's the issue. Let's start the car and see what's going on.